hospital.
Peppa and Peppa are playing in the garden with their favourite toy. George has Mr.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. My ding-ding-dong.
Susie has Penguin. And Peppa has Ted.
Fuck you!
What game shall we play?
Nothing.
You want to roll down the hill?
No, I don't.
Okay,
For fuck's sake.
let's jump in mud. What's that, Teddy? You want to jump in muddy puddles too?
No, I don't.
Alrighty then.
Oops!
Peppa has slipped and fallen on Peppa.
Sorry, I sat on you, Teddy.
Are you all having fun?
Yes! Yes, Mummy Pig!
Oh, Teddy. You look a bit under the weather.
What do you mean?
Teddy is a bit...
Oh, I took Penguin to the hospital and now he's as good as new. What's a hospital? It's where dolls go to get better.
You should kill yourself now!
What a good idea.
This is the hospital.
Hello, Peppa.
Hello, Miss Rabbit.
Welcome to the hospital, where we turn dolls like this into dolls like this.
Ooh.
Have you got a sick dolly?
Yes,
What is it? A mouse or a dog?
it's a bear.
Well, we have got our work cut out, haven't we? OK, so tell me, little bear, what have you been doing to get so poorly?
Fucking your fat dirty mother.
It's no wonder you're not looking your best. There'll be no more
Fucking my mum.
once I've finished with you.
But Teddy likes doing those things.
You do seem a bit floppy. Nothing some extra stuffing won't fix.
What do you mean?